In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check keyword ranking in Semrush. Whether you're new to digital marketing or a seasoned professional, understanding where your keywords stand is crucial for driving traffic and improving your online presence. So, let's dive in and get started with this process using Semrush, a powerful tool for your marketing arsenal. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Semrush website. Semrush is renowned for its data-driven marketing tools designed to help grow your business. Once you're there, you'll immediately notice the Login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the homepage. A quick click will take you to the Login page. And if you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can easily sign up for one right there. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Semrush homepage. It's a comprehensive hub packed with features and tools. For our purpose today, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on SEO. This section is where you'll find a wealth of information and tools specifically geared toward optimizing your search engine strategies. Now, once you're in the SEO section, look for organic research. This is a critical tool for understanding how your keywords are performing and identifying opportunities to improve your rankings. Clicking on Organic Research will open up a new page, full of valuable data. Here's where the magic happens. The Overview tab. Click on it to get a broad yet detailed snapshot of your keyword's performance. This page is designed to give you an at-a-glance view of various metrics, such as keyword rankings, traffic volume, and the level of competition you're facing. It's a treasure trove of information that can guide your next strategic decision. It's worth noting a few tips to get the most out of this section. Take a moment to explore the traffic trends to see how your keywords have been performing over time. Notice any patterns? Have any keywords moved up or down in ranking? These insights are invaluable as they can direct your focus toward the areas that need attention. Also, keep an eye on any new keyword opportunities that could be aligned with your business goals. Remember, regularly checking your keyword rankings is essential for staying ahead in the ever-competitive digital landscape. By following these steps and leveraging the power of Semrush, you'll be in a prime position to enhance your SEO strategy and ultimately drive more traffic to your site. Now you're all set to monitor and optimize your keywords effectively. Happy ranking, and see you in the next video.